80s, you guys, that was Transformer. You got the touch, you got the power.
Was it the intro song to Transformers? Like the cartoon one?
Yeah, I don't know if it was the intro song, but it was cool. I feel like it was in like all those movies, like Over the Top.
Dude, I just watched that movie the other day. I did. It was free on YouTube, so.
You told me you did. What's up? Welcome to the channel. Today, you guys, it's a Klein A Thon. Can you get that box for the radio if you don't mind? Thanks. It's a Klein A Thon, you guys. We haven't had a Klein A Thon in a long time, but we've amassed a bunch of Klein tools again, and we're going to just talk to you about stuff that Klein Tool is offering out on the mat. First thing I'm going to talk about is this little stereo, right? Dude, I think it's cool. It's simple, and it sounds rather good for a little stereo. What do you think?
I agree. It
comes with,
seriously, I can't believe for how small that thing is.
How good it sounds.
Yeah, it's loud.
It's clear. It's not distorted. On the top here, we have all our controls on, off, volume up and down, pause. You can actually answer a phone call on it and listen to your phone call through it. It is 3-meter drop tested, 10-hour battery. All right, you guys, it does have a magnet on the back. It also, you can hang it from a nail hole and then wrap it around a piece of conduit. Mm-hmm. I don't know, man. I think it's cool.
I think it's cool. Plus, it doesn't take up a lot of room in your bag or anything like that. So
yeah, it comes with, and you guys call me crazy, but I don't know, man. Klein really does good with these little speakers. They used to have an old one that you put, and you just put it on your toolbox. I like it. I'd like to keep it, but we're gonna give it to Eric. Yeah, because he wants it. And if I say I want to keep it, that's fine. Because you know what? It'll just be in my kitchen on my countertop for months. Until someone takes it, or or you'll be like, "Hey, can I have this?" Like that. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, you guys, and a auxiliary for if you wanted to plug it into, a non-Bluetooth device, something like that. Next on the list, you guys, we have the electrical test kit from Klein. Klein's kind of known for having good electrical test kits, right? This is kind of a dually test kit. In fact, look at Lowe's, you get the same test kit, but you also get a multimeter from Southwire, right?
Yeah.
So this is kind of the same thing without the multimeter. Right on here, push a button. These are going to light up and tell you the condition of the outlet that you're checking. Real simple. And right here, non-contact voltmeter. You're just going to be able to. It's slap happy day, you guys. It's late. We've been working. We've been trying to film all day, and we ended up just
filming this
at the end of the day after 10 hours. So because we just ran into other stuff, Oh, it detects it. Man, everything detects it.
We must not have put it that far back in there.
I know, but there's actual thing back here. But that detects it. So pretty cool. Good stuff there. Next on the list, you guys, is who doesn't want a pocket coax continuity tester?
Who wouldn't want that?
I know, right? Who would not want that?
No, but seriously, for the electricians, I think that's a cool little tool to have.
Yeah, it's cool. Battery powered, you guys. Basically, you put where's the other end to it?
Twist it up.
Oh, it's on the end. Oops. So basically, you guys are going to take your end of each of the cable. I'm sorry. You're going to take each end of the cable. It's going to light up and say, hey, we got continuity. That means it's connected. That means it's the right one. You can also find out like certain areas, jacks, stuff like that. I don't use much coax anymore. I'm not in business anymore, but I don't know if coax is used a lot anymore. I know it's used for cable.
I do. I just ran around. I ran it in my house. Oh,
it's a great day. Yeah. It's a great day.
So no, I ran it in the house because actually I have Xfinity and it uses it still.
Yeah. So. Okay. Yeah, you guys. This is something super funny happened earlier. It's kind of like an adult joke thing. Not an adult joke, but you know what I'm saying.
Well, no, it's kind of an adult joke.
It was funny. I would share it with you guys, but half of you wouldn't get it. Okay. Next, you guys, we have the VDV Scout Pro Tester. They have had a few of these out, you guys. Basically, what this does is this is for the network guy. The low voltage power guy. You're going to be able to plug into an Cat 5 situation, plug this into the outlet, and get all kinds of things. I think it'll tell you cable run length too.
So you have to be able to plug this. Okay.
Yeah, it's basically going to test it. Let's see. VDV. So this does. It does cable length, you guys. It does 8-wire RJ45, 4-wire RJ11 phone wires, F connectors.
That's pretty much everything.
Yeah, I just don't know if it tones. I don't think it tones. Oh, yeah, it does. You can get a tracing probe with it and tone out with this. So that's pretty cool, especially since we just did a bunch of Cat 5 in Eric's house for his security cameras.
Yeah.
So if we run into any problems, we're going to be able to plug this in and find out, you know, and see the issue. So this is good stuff from Klein. Comes in this kit. The previous ones I think came in a case, so. But I guess
I thought there was more to it too. This might just be like a cheaper price point.
No, I don't think so. I think it's exactly the same.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Next on the list, you guys, we have a moisture meter.
A pinless
moisture meter.
You know, they usually have 2 prongs or one single prong. You got to put it in there.
Yep.
This one you don't have to.
Yeah. So basically, you can go up to the wood, and that's 10% moisture.
It detects electricity. No.
Does it?
No, just because everything does.
Well, it's telling me this is dry wood. So if we go up to this pop can, ooh, overload. But yeah, you get that. You know what says wet. You get that. You know it's wet.
Yeah.
So
it looks like there's different settings. There's drywall up there. Can you change the mode?
Where?
Oh, so masonry, hardwood, softwood.
So this would be maybe a hardwood.
No, I think it's more soft.
That's going to give you more of an accurate reading.
That's softwood.
So now we're at 5.6%, 6%. Where were we at earlier? 3? 3, Eric?
11.2.
Okay. Another thing, you guys, everybody asked about this mat. This is actually a Klein knee pad. I like it. What's going on with this level here, Eric?
I think it's a cool little level on it. It's one thing I like is the Klein levels. I mean, I'll let you go more into it, but I like the metal small levels, you know?
Yeah, it's definitely got that quality feel to it. It's definitely weighty. I mean, this thing weighs a good couple pounds. It's heavy, right? Powered by 3 AAA batteries. It has 3 vials in it. You got your horizontal, your vertical, and another kind of vertical here, depending on how you have it. It also comes with this leveling plate, so if you need to adjust the leveling... Hilarious.
Oh, dude.
Eric's ready for bed
tonight. It's been a long day.
Eric's ready for bed. Luckily, this is the last video we're shooting. So, and you know what, guys? That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna have fun at Tools in Action now. You know, I mean, we had a long slap happy day, so this is the end. You know, that's it. I think. Yeah. So that's it, you guys. Klein A Thon. Very cool, unique little items. Kind of, you know, towards the electrician. Klein definitely. They've been putting out a lot of cool stuff lately, you know. I don't know. You can't really go wrong with Klein. It's just, it's a brand that's been in America for a long time. They're a great brand. I don't see...
Family owned.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. So I think I think if you're in the electrical industry and there's 2 brands you really need to look into, is going to be Southwire and Klein, you know. Southwire is more of, you know, they're like a huge conglomerate. I mean, they build the wires that go on the walls.
They're
they
like
build
a third of all
boxes.
like buildings in the U.S. or something like that.
Yeah.
Which is crazy.
Right, and now they have a made in the USA hand tool line also, which you should definitely look into, you know. As far as quality, I think they're both pretty much the same, on par with quality with their electronics and test and measurement stuff. But either way, you just can't go wrong. You know, Southwire does sponsor us. Klein has sponsored us in the past. Just real good companies, you guys. So let us know what you guys think below. We know you get all excited about the Klein stuff. Out of all the tools here, what is your favorite? Tools in Action.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.